responsibility on this case, but the branch of government is yet to act.
Sangay na lang ang inaasahan sa gobyerno.
Italianos, as of this point, want to distribute properties to the poor and the middle classes, who are the suffering classes in this country. Imagine, this is the only country in the world where citizens are squatters. And the Italianos want to end all that. Let's not have squatters in our own country.
Ang paglabas ng Talay State ay hindi ibig sabihin ay alisan ng karapatan ang bawat isa at bawat Pilipinong meron ng pinanghahawakang mga titulo sa mga kapirasong lupa.
A sound judicial system is the moral basis or cornerstone for cultural stability. In this new chapter of nation building, a more humane society is what every Filipino strives for.
Sa panibagong yugtong ito ng pagtatatag ng bansa, mapagkalingang sibilisasyon ang pinagsisikapan ng mamamayang Filipino.